Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode of the No Garage E30 project. In this video we're going to be turning down the volume of the car by installing a brand new catback exhaust system. What you're looking at is the exhaust that came with the car, which is all rusted out, and you can see all the pipes that go from the muffler to the catalytic converter are pretty much open, making this a very loud, annoyingly loud exhaust system. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on the exhaust, and I'm not building a race car here. So when I found this one on eBay for $180 and free shipping, I decided to give it a try. Put my order in and had it in front of my door in less than a week. Now, I am all about doing it yourself, but exhaust work is currently where I'm drawing the line. I don't have the welding skills or the tools I need for this job, so I decided to take it to a muffler shop to get it done. I took the car to Mufflers R Less in Miami and was very happy with the results. Overall, I have to say I'm pretty happy with the eBay exhaust. Thanks for watching, Please leave your comments below, and I will see you next time.